terrible stock. I probably have a box of like 30 of these things. Whew. We're going to go ahead and block off where that governor arm went. So I got a Nibby PE22 carb. I'll leave a link in the bio for this guy as well. This is like the best budget carb. I think it's $40 with the air filter. I did have to buy a separate intake, which is 10 bucks, but overall great value. All right, so that is the basics of this engine. As you can see, we got the exhaust, we got the carburetor, we removed the governor, torqued everything down to spec. We are basically good to go.